Hi, how are you doing today? We are going to draw the flag of Slovakia. You can see here the flag has a rectangular shape and it has three segments and a symbol here. Let's draw the outline with the red color of the symbol. Okay. Inside the red color, we're going to see another symbol which is of white color. All right. Okay. And you can see a blue color variations at the bottom. Alright, now we're going to fill up the spaces in the middle. Let's put the dark blue color in the beginning. The top part remains white, then you can see the dark blue color in the middle. Okay, and we're going to put the red color at the bottom. Alright, the graphical presentations for the flag is done. This is the flag of Slovakia. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.